Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a long time, but it seems like I'll be here for a while. This time, I'm here with a Cruella DeVil inspired makeup tutorial, ready for Halloween. So as usual, I start by covering my eyebrows and apply my Crayola TV paint stick in Ivory. It's a bright shade. I'm mapping my eyebrows using a Makeup Forever concealer palette. Bear with me, I know these brows will look tragic for a while, but I'm sure you'll like what I come up with. The reason why I have chosen such a smooth product is because I'm going for a pretty blended and feathered brow look, so the precision of the lines doesn't really matter right now. Because I want to get a very specific shade of green, I'm going to use 3 different colors from the same Crayola Aqua Color palette. I'm starting the base of the eye with yellow. Spray some makeup setting spray or water on the pigment and wait until the product has the right consistency, so it's not too watery. Then apply it on top of your foundation base. The next shade I chose is a green, and I'm applying it on top of my whole eyelid and brow bone. Also, I'm adding some white from the same palette in order to give the eyelid some highlight. Now, since I like my crease to look pretty deep, as if my brow bone isn't primitive enough, I defined and blended another aqua color in black from another palette. This is a pretty long clip, and I hope you don't mind staring at my gorgeous dark circles. I inherited them from my mama, and the beautiful wrinkle I have on top of my right eyebrow. I got it from my father. It's Meagle. This time, I didn't want to be boring, so I chose to line my eyes with a red shade. I am talking about Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Wifey. I am now adding a black powder eyeshadow to make the eyes stand out. The palette I'm using is from NYX. This is actually my favorite part of the look. I'm applying a Tom Ford liquid liner to draw my eyebrows hairs one by one. This happens to be one of my favorite products ever. I think it's absolutely brilliant, and it has 2 sides, depending on the lines that you want to draw. Let's fast forward to the lips. I'm using two NYX red pencils. Look at me, filling up my lips. I look like I've just seen pineapple on a pizza.
Disgusting!
I'm reapplying wifey once again. The next product is a powder blusher from Giorgio Armani, and I'm skipping on the powdering since there is really nothing new. But if you want to know, I've used two different shades of NYX powder foundations. I then proceeded by applying top and bottom lashes and then mascara. If you're new to my channel and you liked my content, please give me a thumbs up and most of all, subscribe!